welcome to Girl Talk and welcome to the month of June. Can you believe it's already been 6 months? Nakatunga na ta sa tuig, guys. 6 months na lang to go before Christmas. Anyway, the month of June has always been known as the month of weddings because they say that June derives its name from Juno, the Roman goddess of marriage. And they say that couples who get married in June are always blessed with prosperity and happiness. So for this episode, I have invited a couple who did not only get married once, but 14 times. Yes, you heard it right. 14 times. Ladies and gentlemen, friends, and to all of our viewers, let's all welcome Mr. and Mrs. Paez. Hi, Miss Rica and Irby. Hi, welcome to Girl Talk. And I love the shining, shimmering, splendid outfit. Pambalay ra kuno ni niya.
Yes.
Hi, how are the both of you? Kamusta?
We're great.
Yeah, we're doing good. And as always, we're doing great because God is great.
Wow. Thank you, Kaya, for accepting our invitation to share your beautiful love story to all of our viewers. And like I said, like what I've mentioned, you've been married for 14 times and this will be the 15th.
Exactly.
This, kanus aga ni inyong anniversary?
That would be on
November
November
18.
You take everything your present as your lawful husband, according to the guidance of our Holy Mother the Church. Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
How two hearts can come together and love can last forever. But now that I have found you, I believe.
Actually, dagan kayo nagdagandagan sa una-una, but one thing for sure, that when I met you 24 years ago, it was always my wish to be your bride.
Why do you always have this tradition of getting married, going through the exact process yun nga, na yung wedding ceremony, yun na pa yung reception, and I must say ha, nga dili lang niya siya kanang just the simple renewal of vows that some couples do, diba? Kaya ang uban mag-renewal of vows, we're very intimate. Ang inyo kay bongga, yun gihapon, mura mo gikasan for the first time. So, asa ni nagsugod ang inyong kanang tradition of getting married every year?
So we always envisioned our dream weddings, and since every year we are looking forward to that, you know, for us that would be one of the most significant occasion in our lives. That's why we love to do weddings, we love to renew our vows. It's also one way of celebrating life, love, and of course God's blessing. That's why we love to celebrate it all the way. Yes.
So mo nang you'll always have the same party yun every anniversary.
Yes,
But
Thanksgiving na po din siya, ma'am.
bitaw no, kay pasalamat ta sa Ginoo nga He has guided the both of you in your relationship
That's right.
even up to
Yes.
now.
Yes.
Can you take us back to your high school love story, Be? Can you take us back to that time? Yun sa ninyo pag-ila.
Classmate at the same time ni kanang silingan.
Neighbor, it's a boy next
Love
door.
thy neighbor. Ang sa nito, Bo? Kisa may unang na-crush.
Murag ako siguro murag ako dito siya, ma'am.
Dapat may mo ang conjure kang
Oo,
ngayon.
ako,
Kay
ganda.
patay dyan ka una.
Correct.
So, ikaw wala na-crush. Nga no,
Yes.
unsa may imong nakita ni Rica back then, na murag type man inako da.
Kuan jud siya kanang ang kuan kanang nakita na ko sa yaw muna nakita na ko kay silingan mi at the same time crush na ko siya. Tapos wa ko nag-expect nga magkakami. Oo. So siya na may mo narrate sa uban.
Yes, actually that was third year high school summer when he asked for chu-chu-chu nga ana pwede ba daw
Sa
kami.
chu-chu-chu?
Oo. Actually kan siya kanang nag-beauty rest na jud mi ato because since we're friends and at the same time na while nailaw sa kang sila pag guava tree, ilaw siya dito din siya na ingon
Bayabas.
ako. Unya ako na shock kay ko ako ka-relate. Unya by that time, hulo uy ni kalit akong dagan kay ko tinuod jud yang giingon. So 1 week after ni follow up na siya. Follow up siya inside the library na sa Zamong school.
Unya.
Unya, mao to, hulo uy pag follow up niya nagunahon ako unsa ka ni yes or no or unsa ka ha kay basin og di nang siya mo follow up og gusto.
Yes or yes, good.
Yes, yes. That was actually June 6 would be our kay summer to siya, end of summer. Onya gisugot na ko siya June 6. So this Sunday, we will be celebrating our 25 years as a boyfriend-girlfriend.
So muna sa Bisaya, muna lang gitawag nga uyab sari.
Oh yes, so yab sorry.
Anniversary sa pagka-uyab mo.
That's right. Oh, muna siya. Actually, that was 25 years ago, but right now it's still vivid in my mind. Abot ka sa yao, no? Kung klaro ka ba
Atong
siya?
pangutanon. Vivid pa ba?
Oh,
Yes, murag girlfriend na gihapon siya nako hangtod karon.
exactly.
ba?
Okay, lahi ra man gud kong girlfriend kay kinahanglan jud nimo nga amumahon kay bali.
That's why we're looking forward sa amo ang actually anang na ang among boyfriend girlfriend nga anniversary also because by that was actually the time nga I said yes to him inside the school library.
Sa library day na nagsugod
Yes.
ang tanan. Nagsugod sa Bayabasan.
Sa Bayabasan, it's a
Napunta
library.
sa library.
Ano?
So was he your first boyfriend?
Yes.
Yes.
Mo na.
Mutong
Laban.
na-dance pa ka ato, no?
Correct.
Okay,
Kaya
first
ano,
time
actually,
ka-
first time yan, bawal dito sa una. My mom once allowed to have any relationship, you know, kay kabalo ka nga itong mga beauty.
Studies first.
Yes, ana man siya na sa una mo to, nabunalan siya to, gitawag palwas sa palwas dyan sa lobby, ang gibunal, kay nga ano dyan nga, magsige ko na may kuyog-kuyog, ganyan. Mo to, nag-doubt na to akong mom, pero after graduation sa college, ay pa siya naka-visit sa mga for formal nga pamisita. Ana ang show!
Diba? Nindot gito kani adto nga tradition, no?
That's right.
Because karon, chata na lang ka sa messenger. Dito na lang ka panguyaban, di ba? Moto mo agree ka. But take us now to your wedding proposal. Like, at what point in your relationship did you tell yourself nga, siya na gyud? Nganong nakasulti man ka, Irvy?
Nagsabot na mi pag mo abot gani mi og 10 years magpakasal na gyud mi. Oo, mo na siya. So 10 years mi nagkauyab tapos after ato nag-propose ko niya pero nagpasalamat po ko kay nga ni yes pud siya. Oo.
Dili na sa library ka ni proposal.
Dili na.
Yun, sa
Garden na sadto, garden
Sa
na.
garden, unsa man
Kamirang
yun?
duha.
And then,
Yeah, dito na document sayang
Lagi?
kayo. Tapos propose kag balik
oh,
ko
bitaw,
document.
parang
Dahil siguro.
Na, Jud, no? Oh my God, na-excite ang balik. Yes.
sige, so let's talk about now the different weddings that you hold each year. So,
Yes.
taga-tuig na ilahi inyong theme.
Sabi nila palang araw darating.
Theme.
Exactly, lahi-lahi ang theme because you know, I really love to explore and you know, my imagination is super duper grabe jud no niya. I'm just so lucky that I have a perfect partner nga mo support ra jud kay ang uban pawa na magmugot na jud. All out na jud siya support. Mo na mangutana siya pilay gasto mo ingon jud kog walay gasto.
for
para- Yes, para musugot jud siya magpakasal no. Kay kung mo yung na ang gasto mag-uol ba yan, no?
Mag-uol siya.
That is why. So, but anyway, we're just blessed because in so many ways, kanang nang gitagaan jud me always the chance ni Lord nga to celebrate it small or big. Just like what we had last year, very small, intimate, but still we have to celebrate it with all God's grace and abundance.
So, last
Yes.
year, I saw that your theme was sunflowers,
Yes.
right? Tell us about the other themes that you've had.
Yeah.
Ano sa may mga
We-
themes nga inyong mga naagian?
Sa Baguio nag-rustic no, rustic.
Yeah,
Rustic,
it's a
yes.
rustic.
Uso na sa no, sa weddings,
Yeah.
ang sa pa.
Baguio.
We have in Boracay also, we have our beach wedding in Boracay, which is more of, actually, we have that fluvial parade. Oh,
Really?
Yeah.
Nag-fluvial?
Yes, we rented 4 boats, then nag-fluvial mi dito,
Ja.
kanang pilang should na mo, nga nag-gown mi niya. Actually, everyone in the shore nga na mga guest ba, ganun actually mga bakasyonista, mga turista na shock sila nga, unsa man yun nilang show, eh? And you know, Myra is there. He was there to witness our events and most of our friends niya. Moto na shock sila nga naman, moto mas lang gi-inform nga we're celebrating our anniversary muna. Iniglabay na mo dito nila magsisla, congrats, uy, gipang-aswat-aswat nila mo mga bridesmaid. Kaya usually most of the time, that was actually dagat itong guest sa Boracay sa mga foreigner. Mo na siya hugiyaw ang show.
So this year, you are going to celebrate your 15th wedding
Yes.
anniversary. What are your plans?
Actually, last year, we planned to have it in Bantayan. Since wala na push through because of the pandemic situation, this time, since we're promoting the local,
Tourism.
Yes! So, congratulations. We have to make it in Bantayan this time.
Okay.
Because it's also one way also of, kanang naang murag, it's actually giving us a break because through the years, siguro man siya trabaho, laban, siguro man siya sa atong work and businesses. So, it's also one way of rewarding ourselves to take a break and celebrate love, life, and God's abundance, as what I've said. A round of applause. Nalimot ko, di ba ako yung host, eh?
Now, can you tell us about the preparation process? Because one consideration is the gasto, of course. And then,
Yes.
you don't mind going through, again, all of the hassles of securing a venue,
Yes.
katong styling,
Yes.
ang inyong gowns and all.
Yes.
How do you do that every year? Nga, kanang dili mo kapuyan.
Kuan lang jud, kung sila pa, let's always keep the fire burning. Because if you have that passion, the excitement and all, actually, everything doesn't matter. What matters is you are happy, you are blessed, and that's what matters. And the people around you who will celebrate with you. That's the most important thing. Because for me, actually, I've been used to that kind of work already. So most likely, murag di na dyan nato i-stress. Kung sila pa, let's not make things complicated. So let's just live life to the fullest. And of course, go, laban lang. Just keep calm and get married. You know?
How about the feeling of getting married
Anxiety, sir.
every year? Irving,
Sige.
tagapaso ni Rika, makahilak bagyapon ka. Like the first time that you felt kay, you know what, every time I attend weddings, mojo na ang usa sa mga pinaka-favorite parts yun nako ha. Like, kanang, of course, no, there's the bride nga, siya man siya pinakagwapa nga babay in that room on that day because it's her day.
Yes.
But I always look at the reaction of the groom. Yeah, tan-an gid ako kung unsa iyang feeling ba na ikita igabli ba sa door? Ni mo gawas din na pinahayag-hayag din sa likod. How does it feel for you to experience that every year? Naabot gyapon same ra gyapon ang magic?
Same ra gihapon, ma'am. Pero ambot nga no dili man pud sa amuas para sa kuha as lalaki murag di nimo tuyoon, di na ako tuyoon nga naagid na siya. So ambot murag mo gid siguro na. Murag gid siguro.
Tears of joy or tears of agi sa gasto. Ana dago.
So, like, open kay Makauna-una ka pila yung nagastuhan.
Basi, no? Siya na dyan nakaibaloan na. But, surprisingly...
Dili man pod basta murag gikan yun na sa imuhang kuan gyud. Kasing-kasing
Really?
kuan ba kanang happy ka. Happy.
Yes.
Tears of joy.
Yes.
So, mas sentimental dyan din yung mga lalaki, no? Because I
Mas
remember back on, going back to my wedding day ba? Pag, di ba, first time mo magkita sa altar. And my husband, he said, the first thing he said was, ipapahanin mo eh. And ako kay Bert, nalugid ako ni Ani, nga ko kailan.
Na-worry nga excess niya
Na-worry
sa
ako
reception.
sa excess.
Ako 1,500 per head niya. Saan na lang, di ba?
Imagine ako first gingon niya, or nabalaka flavor ko kailan yung mga bisita. Diba? Anyway. Now that you have 2 children, right?
Yes.
Yes.
How old are they?
13 and 9.
13 and 9.
Fame is 13 and Ace, the younger
9.
one, 9 years old. Yes.
So does it feel good ba nga kanang they get to be part of the wedding ceremony every year, sad? Because I think that's also one of the things that
Yes.
couples look forward to when they have their renewal of vows, because diba kasagaran mostly sila pa ba yung juduhan, and in the
Correct.
tanong nga your children get to be part of that
Yes.
ceremony.
Actually, they're also excited about it every year.
Sila na tigplan.
Actually, for now, ako pa, jud kay ganahan, nagamit kong ganahan mugna. Yes! Pero, as kana akong yang manghod na mo is more of ganahan siya nga, ma'am, where man mo i-celebrate this year? Marag, sige siya ga-look forward. And of course, actually, also the girl, si Ate Fame, they're also, actually mo it's also one way of kanang makabakasyon sad me, makarelax sad me kay they knew man how busy we are sa bawat among mga negosyo. So really most of the time niya that time is also, let's say mo adto mi katong nato mig Baguio, kabalo jud
Yeah.
sila nga more of us jud, more of the family, and it's also one way nga kana among mga family
Makabanding
makagather,
mo.
makabanding. Yes.
But how do you prepare for the expenses for that occasion every year?
Yes, actually, in our case, we're just so blessed, labi na karon kay kanang naang, we have kanang naang, na jud mi ganang gi-set aside for that. And then the good thing about it, kanang naang, we just, kanang naang, mura matingala lang jud ka that God will bless you abundantly, nga matingala lang ka, i-provide ra jud niya tanan.
Oh, ba?
Everything will be,
Daghan mo sponsors.
Daghang mo sponsor niya, daghan sang mga friends nato nga willing to, okay, ako'y bahala sa kon, wala nga na niya. That's the real thing about it, if you have a life surrounded with beautiful people, because you know, everything, dili ka mabugatan, everything is so light, everything is so, kunya, matingala ka, God is placing everything just to make it happen. Because ingon ani jud ni, I believe that when you seek God's blessings, tingala ra jud ka, He will bless
He will.
you abundantly. Mao nga tingala ra jud ka kay kami, di man jud mi nga di jud mi magwa jud tay kwarta, wala ta
Yeah.
tanan, wala. Dili jud mi na may ra jud tag, we're so blessed nga. In the midst of this pandemic, nakasurvive ta. Unya, good thing right now, aside from kanang naang, we're so blessed sa health, because that's the main priority right now. That's health is our greatest wealth. And then, mo na nga happy ko because last June also, we decided to kanang naang adventure also, aside from the weddings and events namo, ni venture said me, actually shawg ako, we are now also a health ambassador and ambassadors of a new product from Canada. Mo nang happy, grateful, blessed that's why there's no reason nga di nato i-celebrate.
Ang inyong wedding anniversary.
Yes, exactly.
And I also think that one of the things that has kept you this strong for the past, going for 15 years
Yes.
is how you always put God in the center of your marriage and in your relationship.
Yes.
When we come back, ako na sang solohon si Rika because I want to ask her a few questions about the wedding industry
Yes,
in Cebu.
yes,
We'd
yes.
like to ask for tips for couples who are planning to get married this year. What are the steps that they should do? So if you are getting married, if you have plans to get married, stand by. We will return here at Girl Talk. Welcome back, everyone. We are still with Rika Paez of Fame Wedding Concepts and Events, and this time we will be talking about the wedding industry here in Cebu. But first, Rika, can you tell us about the history of your career as a wedding planner and event organizer? Asa man ni siya nagsugod?
Yes, that was way back 2006, right after our very own wedding. Yes.
Ano man na-inspire ka?
Actually, before that, I used to host most of my friends' wedding. They requested me to be their host. But
Okay.
right after I prepare my own weddings, preparation and all.
So DIY to, imong first.
Yes, exactly. That was our kanang first mga wedding nga prepare the whole concept, the full planning and coordination. That was 2006. So the preparation started 2005. Then of course after the wedding, it came out so grand, so fabulous, and so amazing. And most of my friends said, "Hey Rika, can you be my coordinator?" and so on and so forth. And then from one friends to others, referrals. Kumbaga, that's why until now most of our clients are referrals from our previous events. No na siya. It's actually word of mouth. Kaya kami we're not so into kanang naang marketing because amo ang personal nga kan, but we are most of our
Kanang
clients
pag-recommend lang
yes,
sa inyong mga
recommendations.
friends.
And then we always wanted to have it kanang naang we actually limit our services to most of our friends, relatives, and mga kailaw recommended by our clients because
Okay.
most of the time during the events we are there personalized hands-on jud me with my husband.
So mo na gid ni ang inyong family business ever
Exactly.
since.
Yes.
So,
That-
Can you tell us about the state of the wedding industry karon sa Cebu
Right
this
now?
pandemic?
Yeah.
Let's start with last year. Mas grabe gid ang effect pag 2020
Yes,
pag ECQ.
yes.
Daghan
Imagine
mong mga
that.
canceled events.
Actually, imagine the last wedding we have last year, that was March 18. Then, actually, supposedly, dili na dyan tato ma-push through kay dili na mo-allow ang venue and
Yeah.
so on and so forth. But we have to find another venue. Nya mo to na pull off na dyan nato ang wedding with flying colors.
Yung kana sa muna
The amazed-
ka-resume.
Actually, nagkabalik mi ato by June. We have 2 weddings na very intimate, 10 persons lang. Then July, naasad mi usa ka event.
This year?
That was last year.
Oh,
Nakabalik
last
mi,
year. Oh, dali,
nakabalik
dali,
to
dali,
siya
yeah.
because namang gutoy we have a lot of couples na kanang mulargahay, ana.
Mm.
Pero very intimate. 10 persons, kaya dili allowed, 10 lang ang allowed sa church, then I say 30, intimate lang. Nya, until actually, nahinay-hinay na dyan siya kabalik until pagka last December, last June, murag nahinay-hinay na niya. Right now, nabalik na dyan siya. Congratulations!
Wow! So wala na yung mga
But
limitations sa number of
we have
guests?
actually, as long as for the venue, 50% na dyan sa capacity. Like the venue, the capacity is 200 persons.
Yeah.
So 100 persons ang allowed. So if the venue is capable of handling 100 guests, so 50 persons.
50.
Mo dyan ang protocol.
So
Anya.
kung ato ka sa ballroom na
Con-
500,
Congratulations! Yeah, we have our event last February. That's 250 guests. So,
Wow.
nya, the venue is, ang capable niya is 1,000 packs. So, hinay-hinay na jud siya nabalik. And congratulations because, you know, na ay mga few adjustment. But with God's grace, makaya na jud na ikuan na jud. Yeah, we're glad because most of the event suppliers baya are all affected with this pandemic.
That is
thing.
actually the sad part, diba? Kaya you don't only think of the big picture. You have to think of these small players ba, itong mga event suppliers, the
Yes.
photographers,
Yes.
makeup artists, katong
Yes,
designers.
yes. That's
Grabe, daghan gid kaayong affected sa pandemic. How about sa church? Naabasad tay mga limitations sa
Yes.
pwedeng makasud sa church?
Actually, for senior citizens and children below 12 years are not allowed. So, sa simbahan as of this time. But there are instances na ay mga churches na mo allowed but with all the gears, with all the masks, the face shields
shield.
and all. But for now, but kami as an event planner, as a coordinator, we wanted to have also a peace of mind. So we have to advise also the children and senior citizens as much as possible ato na siyang i-limit para di sa mga stress, no? Kaya katong
Yeah.
may organizer. Kaya ginoo ko ano dito ginoo na yung mga kabalo na ka. Things like that.
Yeah.
Which are beyond our control. Mo nang ganahan jud nato nga kung mahimo na dyan tayo mga kwandaan, mga do's and don'ts na atong i-inform sa atong couple.
So,
Yes.
Curious ko, Rika, for those who are planning to get married, kay nami mga kauban diri nga kanang gusto na magpakasal,
Yes.
plano mo propose sa ilang mga uyab. Pila man ang standard amount nga kinahanglan i-prepare sa usa ka couple for also a standard wedding? Like, kung say
Yes.
average amount lang kasagaran.
Very good questions. A round of applause kay right now, mang good, especially pandemic nga season. So, naapa dyan tayo mga rates na affordable on niya. At the same time, bongacious na ang show.
Like mga pila? How
Ang karon
much?
right now, ang pinaka-lowest na to is 150,000. That's good for everything na. So, we also have a maximum, depende na dyan sa budget sa client. Kaya we always wanted to i-enhance ang ilang gusto. We always wanted to, naman sila ilang mga own preferences. But kana siya, 150 for
150.
karon nga time.
Okay.
Is kuana na siya.
So that includes everything na, the food, the,
hotel,
venue,
yes, the food, the venue, the planning
lights,
coordinations, the
Host.
wedding attire, the host, the cake. Ano mo na siya itong pinaka-promo for.
mga pila na ka-people.
That's good for 100 persons.
Oh, in
yes,
fairness.
yes. Oh, usa na sa mga hot cake nato karon nga kanang nang kung sila pa mo nang ubad daghan kay ni take og advantage.
But sige lang, it's our way of helping man sa
Yes,
diba?
yes.
The
Karang nang
community.
munang nindot kami, we are also happy to serve them. Kaya at least ma-push to ilang wedding, though we know nga right now affected ba sa dang couple, labi na ang ilang mga work, ilang ana ba. So, we have to adjust. And that's the good thing about diri sa ato sa Cebu nga kuan kanang naang market because actually, right now, kanang naang tinabangay, both sides, the supplier, the
Yes.
clients, nga manindot ang event at a very minimal cost.
Yeah. But since you started in 2006, no?
Yes.
Kanang without divulging kung kinsang client, but mga how much ang pinaka-expensive na wedding na imuhang
Yes,
imuhang
oh.
na kanang work with? Like, how much ang budget nila?
Actually, kung mo yung chikag ka nang kuanahon mga millions because they really wanted to, yes, naman siya.
Millions? Like,
Yes.
how many millions?
Actually, depende dyan kina. Iba
Pero
na
pinakadako
na ay
na
1.9, 2 millions like that. Oh, so,
my
most
gosh.
likely dito sila mo invest more of, labi na sa mga bridal gowns nila, nga mga signature, mga designers. Nga dito sila sa ilang venue, nga they really wanted to have a winner kaayo
Nga
nga
set up.
food menu and all, and then of course the stylings nga gusto dyan nila mo dyan makapawaw sad sa ato ang event, the event styling nga milyones sad ana ang show.
Laban.
Yes,
If you can afford, why not?
mo na gihog ibag mo na gihog nga pag ibag may pera walang problema. Diba?
Diba?
Oo, dyan na siya. Money is not an issue, dyan. Basta kay go. Ganun naman siya iban nga. They really wanted to invest because that's only a once in a lifetime event.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mao sad.
oo na siya. Unya,
Not unless if they want to follow your footsteps, who get married every year.
Yes. Kami ang amo, it's Thanksgiving. Siya na mo.
Oo,
Siya
sure.
na number one nga
Yeah.
kuan. And then of course, we have to be thankful sa mga we are alive, we are healthy. Mo dyan na nga itong reasons nga nung mag-celebrate ta. But why not? Let's make it a tradition, di ba? Alaban!
Yeah. Sa katong mga way idea sa mga steps, unsaan pagpakasal, can you just run through the steps, Rika? Like, unsa may
Yes.
angay unang buhaton sa, for example,
Yes.
they already have the plans. Unsa may
Yeah.
angay, kinanglan ba, mulukat kog senomar, unsa may
Yes,
katong
ato
mga
ng-
pre-cana,
Yes.
nga mga seminars. What are the steps that you would advise
Yes.
soon to be brides and grooms?
Perfect questions because the rigid na ang uban masayop no kay
Oo.
they want to DIY unya pag di na magkadimao moari na dayon sa mga coordinator.
Coordinator.
The best thing for now is to of course to seek an advice from the expert. That is why wedding planners and wedding coordinators are here to guide you from the preparation till the end to your big event. So nindot kayo nga because you know as we all know consultations are all free so you can freely visit us at our office kay para mag-guide jud mo unsay buhaton una. Kay especially if you will get Sinumar usually 3 months lang na siya mga licenses and all.
Karon.
At sa church also
Yeah.
mga 3 months na so ma-expired na siya so sayang kaayo. That's why here, if you come with our services, we always give you the best of our advices kung sa'yo maayo ninyong buhaton para smooth, hassle-free. Unya, labi na ang bride na adjud siya gitawag ka na nga.
Glow.
Yes, dapat stress-free niya. Happiness all the way. Kay we will
Yeah.
guide you man unsaon niyo. Unsay maayo nga bu first thing to do.
But unsa man,
Second,
if somebody would ask you right now, what's
Yeah.
the first thing to
of
do?
course, we have to secure the basic nga kanang
Permits.
first. Yeah.
Unsa man ni?
Aside from that, we have to, of course, book your coordinator because the coordinator will be the one to call the church, the reception, all
Yeah.
the main suppliers. After that, we have to sit down na dayon. No, we have another step which is preparations na dayon ka sa imong mga papers and all and so on and so forth. So simultaneously and of course synergistic na ang iyang pag-prepare mo na siya jud. First and foremost, you have to book your coordinator, your wedding planner para guided ka unsay maayo ni mga buhaton because the rest manggud tanan ang wedding planner na amo provide. Yes. So that's why hassle-free na jud kay igura jud na mo patawag ang wedding planner. Pak!
Yeah.
Gawas din ang tanan to supplier lugwa dayon niya meeting ra ka na dayon ka usa.
So mo ni ang mga advantages and disadvantages kung mo book ka og coordinator
Yes.
versus mag-DIY ka.
Exactly. Kay sometimes magud DIY is good, it's great, but sometimes kanang naang makomplicate na hinuon imong preparations because ang kanang naang gagama kag ingon ani unya knowing nga provided na dahil siya apil na sa imo ang package
Yeah,
niya,
no?
unya kung gusto sad nimo nga i-customize, we can always customize your package according sa imong needs, according sa imong mga preferences, according sa imong mga theme.
Yeah.
That's why we always advise to book your coordinator. Actually, ayaw mo kabalaka because wedding planners and coordinators, di na mahal, affordable, na.
Tinuod, and ako lang, I also want to clarify this to all of our viewers, Rika. Kaya uban man gud ang ilahang mindset,
Misconception,
yes, is
yes.
kung mag-coordinator ka, basig mo jack up sa mga
Oh,
prices. And in
no.
fact, ang mga suppliers have a coordinator's rate.
Exactly.
Right? So for example, I've also worked in the events industry for quite some time. And
Yes.
there's a different rate that you give to the coordinators. Munang mas
Yes.
makatipid-tipid sa gid ka if you book the
That's
entire
right.
package.
Oh, you are correct. Kay kabalo ka sometimes ang ilaon man good huna-huna nga basig si coordinator mo ni mo na niya. Actually,
patong sa
we could
presyo.
not also blame them because naaman sa ibang mga coordinators
Yeah.
na say mang pabadlong sad mo nang we could never kanang
Tinoon,
di siya blame.
mag-generalize.
Oh,
Pero
because
what is your advice to the would-be couples nga how would they spot murag bogus kay daghan sa kung nabasahan
That's right,
nga gipang
tinuod.
gipang scam.
Yes,
Kaning
mao
mga
na.
mo down payment dayon,
Correct.
di ba? So how would you spot a legit
yes.
wedding coordinator?
Make sure they have an office, they are registered, and then at the same time, you can, mas nindot siya tong kanang ng referrals kay you have already experience sa ilang mga previous na mga events. Mo jud na siya. Kay sometimes, mo na kung gingon nga we could never blame them kay based experiences nila sa ilang sang mga nabasahan, labi na, no? Ang mga
Yeah.
scam and
Mahadlok
all. So
jud.
mo nang we understand. But based on my experience, kay I've been working in the events for so long, nakaingon jud ko nga pag-coordinator jud mo kay makasave mo, di pa mo ma-stress. At the same time, we have a lot of mga suppliers karon nga mga coordinators and wedding planners. Anya, you just take your time. Kay parehas ako ganing mga client, I always advise them nga, pwede ra jud mo manganvas sa uban before confirming, before booking. Kay, you know, that's a hard-earned cash. So,
Yeah,
dili jud na yung
mo jud.
dali-dali, gipamudjot niya, labi na. Oo, labi na na yung a day. So,
Careful
mo na,
lang yun.
mo na siya. That's why, mo nang naang makaingon sa tanila nga, ang mga clients karon kanang naang especially wise na baya sa
Yeah.
moto, but di mag-all, di jud mabalaka.
Kinahanglan ng
Oo.
good, you always have to seek for good reviews
Exactly.
before sealing an agreement with
Agreement,
these
contract,
coordinators.
yes.
Anyway, thank you kayo sa imong advice,
Yes,
Rika,
my
about
pleasure.
wedding preparations. But this time, for our next segment, we will be calling Irvi back because what I always tell couples, Char, mura sa kong marriage expert, no? Pero when I hosted weddings back then, I always tell couples that the wedding is only the first part of the thing that you have to prepare for. Ang pinaka-important yun is the marriage, di ba? Because it will be long-lasting, hopefully. So when we return, we will be asking Rika and Irvi some marriage tips on how they kept their relationship strong for the past 14 years. So please don't go away. Girl Talk will be right back. Thank you so much for staying with us. And this time, we are now joined by both Rika and Irvi. Hello again, Irvi.
Hi, hello.
Earlier, we discussed the tips on how to get married. Karon, we will be discussing how to stay married. Lahi ergid ang preparation sa wedding and ang preparations pod on how to keep your marriage solid. So, first question is, over the past 14 years, para ninyo, what are the greatest challenges that you've encountered as a married couple? Kasi pinakalisod, kasi gusto mo sugod.
Ikaw,
na lang
Sir
sa
Lapa.
Irvi kay taas-taas imong break ganina.
Yes. Oh.
Ang pinakalisod, so far, murag, wala pa ko yung nahinumduman, ma'am. Kay, ang amuagod, more on happiness lang yun. More gina siya. Oh,
We choose to
thankful
be
na
happy.
grateful mi nga sa among kadugayon, wala pa iniabot gyud nga mga nagka-problema
Kung wala na jud.
Oo. So,
Yes,
kuan
ako siya
lang.
i-declare and
Oo.
decree.
Yeah.
Yes.
How about you, Rika?
Actually, koan lang jud siya. We have to embrace each other's imperfections because we are imperfect, you know. He's not a perfect husband, no, nor I'm not a perfect wife. But of course, we have to adjust. Kung sila pa adjust, give and take, respect,
Yeah.
and put God as a center. Kaya nga, wa man siya perfect niya. Mga nagay sila, Rika, kay mo sa karamon ko, actually, wa siya maayo. Puros lang siya may mga, kanang nang gi-embrace lang siya namo, ang amo ang mga kakulangon. Ang iyang strength, ang iyang weaknesses, we have to accept. Because human as we are subject with a lot of kanang naang mga gitawag og kanang naang mga
temptations and weaknesses.
oo.
Sana.
Unya, mo ra sa namong gi-pray ni Lord nga di lang jud mi tagaan na ng mga ingon ana kay actually kami we choose to be happy nya we choose to be kanang nang mo na respect lang jud sa usa-usa para mo last ang relationship.
How about in terms of dealing with finances? Unsa man ang inyong ma-advise sa ato ang mga viewers, especially
Siya
for
may
the
inasyani.
for the
Sige.
new couples. Kay here in the Philippines, we have this common tradition nga si Mrs. ang magkupot sa ATM.
Yes.
Tagaan siya baon, taga-adlaw. Unsa man, what setup works for the both of you? Irby, imuha mong
Oh,
kung
iyaw na kay
ang
actually ako
finances.
I am a submissive wife. Oh. So when it comes to finances, siya mo mag-manage ako. Ay, ko mo gasto-gasto. Mo siya na akong master, magasto-gasto. Siya mo kusugay mo, ana. Mo nang nang, I'm blessed nga. Nakaparis na sad ko ganang nang inot. Ako gastador.
So, we're opposites mo of each other in some ways.
Yes, yes.
Sige, but unsa imong ma-share, Irby?
Amo ma'am, amo ang mga kuan, amo ang mga kita, mga ginansya, among gi-invest property so mo nang naa. So then as husband, dili ko mag-liquidate kung unsay ang nakuan para at least wala bitaw sa among mga income tanan ang among gi-count blessings.
Not the missing.
Not the missing. So
Yes.
mo na siya. So about sa finances wala mi mga dili mi mag-away about
Yeah.
finances.
Yes, mo ra jud na iyang gusto
So,
nga dili
mo
jud
na
ta
siya.
mag-away about finances kay dili man ni ato, we are just steward. Dili jud mo nang matingala ra sad mi kay ako also di sad kay ko ganahan mag-account kay accountancy mo kung gikapoy na kung kinwenta sa una. Uy, wala ko ma-stress ana. So ang ako na lang is unsa ang musulod dili to nang unsa mo gawas. Uy, kung may mo way pagawson. Mo na siya kinalan. Bitaw, but actually mo to yung gingon sakto jud nga we always count the blessings, not the missings. Kay kana mong gutanan mo nang we always opted to enjoy life, celebrate life kay kanang na ang life is short. Unya, magsigitag ka ng tigom-tigom nya wata na enjoy ang ato lang balance lang ang life. No, siya more of investment sa mga properties kay mo jud na yung gusto. Basta na siya kuan mo jud na ya. Unya ako igo na jud ko dito magkuan rayna.
Magpaso-paso sa mga properties.
Oh, siya mas ganun. Maayo siya sa mga financial planning mo. Nang support ko ko sa iyang plans. Kay siya ako, maayo ko sa kanang maayo ko kung sila pa mo chika-chika. So siya support naman sa dyan ako. So ako tigpasulod, siya mo tigkuhan na dyan. Tigpugong nga di kagawas. Sa unang gastador dyan ko. Nya, na feel guilty ko ba nga siya, dili kaayo siya mo spend. Nya, makita na ko niya ba, more of kanang
Investment,
investment niya more of the sa mga bata, mga anak mo niya mo nang ako wala gani ko mall di na jud ko mo shopping ukay-ukay ra jud ako.
Oy, na naman di ay, di ba?
Kay nga
Sa nagdala ra gid na.
Oh, actually ako mga UK
That's from UK.
representing.
Yeah, diba?
Oh, jud matika no.
Sa kuan ra gid na siya.
Yes.
It's how you wear the dress. It's not the
Exactly.
dress.
Mo jud. Actually mo yung jud na Miss Rica. Unsa din yung mga outfit, mga kuan jud na ko secret na jud na.
From
Karon
United
na reveal na
Kingdom.
karon. From UK
How
di
about
ay.
when it comes to parenting? What's your parenting style? Kinsa sa inyo ha ang mas disciplinarian? Kinsa ang mas kanang very hands-on?
Yes.
Kinsa mas stricto? Kinsa mas cool parent?
Yes. Sige, ako ganahan, ikaw mo tubagan ano.
Oo.
I am proud to say nga, kanang nang akong husband is into kuan jud siya. Siya ang sa kanang sa parenting jud. Siya jud ang nagkuan jud sa mga bata.
Wow.
Anya, siya sa nagtig-answer karon sa modules. And that's what makes me the proudest. Kay ngano igo na lang siya mo yung, kumusta na? Hulo, uy, alas 2 sa kadlawon mahuman og module. Kumusta na mo no?
Kada sa mo paso, sir. Siya dapat to graduate.
Oh, niya ko ang mga estudyante dito nag-relax raw eh. Murang that's what makes me very proud kay
hands-on
of course
dad.
kami naanad man mi nga sa pag-upbring namo sa among mga anak independent jud ba nga wala jud mi kanang nagsalig og mga yaya ever since ang among mga bata na didako na lang jud sila pud na independent until now. Oh, niya. We always just siya kay grabe jud siya mo instill og discipline sa mga bata. Muna ako na apil sa kong ka-disiplina. Uy, nakaano sa gulo mo lagi kog mag-guilty mo na. Ala uy mo, ako na siyang gi-entrust niya tanan. Mona, that's actually this is the best thing kay makita sila nga ako daw kuno loud ana pero
Yeah.
actually submissive jud ko nga pagka-wife mo dagway nang ni lahutay jud siya. Congratulations. No?
Irby, what's your kasulti about this? Like, why do you want to be very involved sa pagpadako sa imuhang mga kids? Because there are, naman ko'y uban, no? In some families, medyo dili kayo inaanak ka, medyo detached gamay ang father sa pagpadako sa ilahang anak. But ikaw, ngayong ganahan kang hands-on kay ka?
Hands-on ma'am kay siya minsan lang sila bata at least na kuan na nato ang ilaha bitawng kimtras bata pa sila mo nang kami hands-on pud mi kani or sa ako mismo
Yes.
amo gina silang ikuan kay lisod naman kayo kung maadto sila sa lain.
Yeah.
Oo,
Yes.
so
And then we're also lucky nga kanang ever since nga bata baby pa sila nga kami hands-on kay at least ang mga bata ba guidance na kay kung mo i-entrust og yaya murag siguro lahi na ang mga language nga ma-learn. Anya I remember nga kana si Fame og sa is nagdako jud ako kuyog-kuyog na mo sa events ana breastfeed diri pinatago-tago niya while mag-meeting sa client pina-breastfeed jud ang show murag we always wanted to be involved sa every step of their growing years. Mo na amazing kayo ang parenthood. Oh!
Mo nang ganahan mo nga na baby number 3.
Siya jud mo dili since siguro na pa mura siya na stress sa mga Oo, na stress siya sa mga kanang actually manggod ako naanad manggod ko nga breastfeed ko so wa kay ko'y pakialam the rest of the things siya na dahil na anak sa preparation and all mo na mura dagoy siya na kuan uy anya ko naanad man ko nga kanang undago ra ko nya murag
Siya mo'y na-trauma.
ako ganahan kay ko because I find it nga sayon ra jud magbuntis sayon mga anak everything is easy ba mura ka na jud ko lugo na jud ko dugangan pero siya ayaw na jud maluoy ka mo na
What
jud
if God gives it, then, diba?
why not oh
Why not? Why not? Why not? Now, speaking of that, how do you keep the excitement of your relationship burning, especially when you already have kids? Because it's the dynamics change, diba? Lahi rabi akong kamura katong yapo mo, and then you become husband and wife, and then you have children. They will always be the priority, diba? For most couples, mag-una dyan ang mga needs sa mga bata. How do you make sure that you also have time for each other despite your busy schedule of being a parent,
Yes.
being an entrepreneur?
yes this is the best thing about us because most of the time makita jud nako nga he never stops dating of me kana bitang makaanak ko bang uy he always find time like every weekend mangita siya spend nga gusto niya nga kaning kami ra nga family ya sometimes kaming duha
Kamo
mo
na
ka
duha.
nya usahay makaanak ko mahadlok sa nga atong mga bata di ba koy kuyog pero siya nga sa usahay kanang sige kita na lang kay ngano at least gusto po niya nga masolo actually this is what really ang among relationship because most of the time kami ra siya ako ra jud iyang friend ako friendly man jud ko sa tanan siya wala siya laing friend wala siya laing barkada man wala siya laing choice
So, mas mo makigsalubilo ka kaysa niya.
Oh, mo nang na ang
Homebody.
Yes, man I remember during sa among kanang high school pa na siya friend pero magkita ra. Pero kanang kung mag-friend sila kung magkita pero most of the time murag ako ra jud iyang friend mo nang and that what makes me amazed sa iyaon kay hulo uy ko believe kay kunimo kay kanang musugot siya nga murag ako ra jud iyang kanang friend ako ra iyang BFF ako ra tanan ba murag ako kay you know kuan biya kay ko ongoing kay akong personality
Yeah.
man wala sa mi ikaw kanang nakaagwanta nga survey mo oh mo na ako ra jud iyang BFF mo na makaana siya mo na maluoy ko say nga dili na ko siya kanang naang tagaag time kay kabalo man ko nga siya wala di siya laing kanang naang mga friend na siya friend kay naman siya mga team niya pero
Yeah.
most of the time ang good mo kuyo siya na for business for work for ana pero most of the time mo nang ako ra jud iya ako ra sa diyang kasabuan uy ako sa bakyaw sa nako ang show oh mo
Pero Irvie, ikaw, in most couples, bali ba yung situation nga, Merg, ang lalaki mo'y kanang pala amigo kaayo,
Yes.
you know, sikiglaag, ang babae mo'y maghuwat sa balay, but mas extrovert si Rika. Dili ra ka, wala ra kay issues if ever like she hangs out with her friends, kanang laag sa siya sometimes, okay ra ka, ana?
okay ra jud ma'am wala gyud kuan. Kaya ako ra may mahatod ako ra pay makuha.
basta kwaon lang, John.
kuan jud siya trust to each other importante kayo siya actually mukha nang ang kanindot niya kay moto nga at when I started ningon jud ko niya nga ganahan ko aning niya nga nature sa work, ganahan ko nature sa business. Ana when I started that was mga 15 years ago, moto di nga nanindot niya kay ni-adjust po siya, so he also venture into photography kay before man good when you do weddings dugay kay kamahuman niya di na yung human uli dayon ka mo banding pa biya kasi mga client friends and all niya sa una magsisig tawag asan naman ka unsa mo ana bitaw magsigig monitor. So ang akong gibuhat akong gipasabot na ko siya masakay maas maayo nga you have to support me in my endeavor.
What was his career back then? Kato nga time.
Oh, that during that time kay busy man sad siya sa lain po niya nga business. So karon mo tunigin ko niya nga why not nga join us para dili ka masigpangita.
Love kay kaniya kay nikat siya photography
Yes.
and videography.
Yes,
so
he
that,
invested.
that he can
Kuyog
work with
ang
you
magkuyog
closely.
jud sige ma'am kayo say mangutan na kinsa man ang kuyog sige niya kapoy ba kay explain unsa ting oras sa mahuman niya pagkataw pud na say manawag and I understand nga kanang as much as possible as a husband gusto jud niya nga kanang naang you are in a good hands, protected baka okay baka secure baka so mo tong sa una ko nga nindot kaayo nga mag yun ani para magkuyog ta sige at least ba wala jud tay buhi ay ani.
Just very quickly lang, why do you think that intimacy is important in marriage?
Yes. Actually, sige na siya ako sa
Ikaw.
Actually, labi na sa kind of relationship that we have, nga most of the time, we are into kanang naang public, but very good nga most of the time nga we also have time for each other and we have that very time kanang naang ganahan mi nga kay at least ba I know him. He know me, we know each other very much, but nindot kayo nga we have to respect each other's kanang kanang gitawag og kuan intimacy kay especially sa iyaon nga partner. He's a different kind of person niya naka-adjust na sad ko sa iyang mga ganang-ganahan sa dili niya niya as we go along niya sa una magsige pa kung ana niya later on nakaana day ko ay mao di ay muna siya kanang nang everyday we keep on learning, we keep on kanang naang discovering each other mo niya. That's what we look forward nga munang hala uy nya daghan kay ning ma-discover every day.
Even sa gidugayon.
Yes. So maon na.
Would you like to add to that, Irvie?
Ano lang yun, kinahanglan love ang usag-usa.
Yeah, nagsugod naman siya tag-sweet sa each
Yeah.
other. Before we bid goodbye to our viewers, can we hear a message for each other? What would you like to say? I know nga
Yes.
November pa ang inyong 15th anniversary, but if you can renew your vows right now, okay, who wants to start? Rika, what is your vow that you would like to tell Irvie?
Ikaw na my love.
Sige. Gentleman first.
Okay. I will love you whatever it takes.
Wow.
And forever and ever.
Yes. My love.
Basig mo iyak na sad ni siya.
Dili uy, wala ta nang hilak. Uy, kay nga no,
Sige,
kuha na
sige,
nato
sige.
ka nang kaan ta ka nang si tawagan ni. Actually, I promise to love you, to support you, and whatever it takes, I will be always the wind beneath your wings.
Walay kiss?
Yes, kiss.
Thank you kayo. Thank
Thank
you
you
so
po,
much,
Miss
Irvie
Andy.
and Rika. Daghan kayong salamat. We were really inspired. I'm
Thank
touched
you.
by your love story, and hopefully I'd also reach 15 years and even more.
Yes.
Congratulations to the
Thank
both
you
of
so
you
much.
for a
Yes.
very wonderful marriage. Just before we say goodbye, Rika, would you like to invite all of our viewers, if they would want to avail of your services, how would they contact you?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, good morning and good afternoon to all our viewers. Of course, for your weddings, debuts, birthdays, and corporate events, you can call or visit our shop, Fames Wedding Debuts and Events. It's 0917-632-0659. Actually, we can always customize your occasion. Depende sa inyo ang budget and all. Don't you worry. Just be happy.
Wow. Thank you kayo. Daghang salamat.
Yes.
And thank you so much to all of our viewers. We hope that you enjoyed today's episode as much as we did. And if I may share one beautiful takeaway that I learned from this conversation with Rika and Irvi, it's always important to accept each other's imperfections and most importantly, always put God in the center of your relationship. This has been Andrea Patania Matthew for Girl Talk.